Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'd like to welcome you to County Court at Law Number 2. My name is Judge Terrence L. Holmes. I'm the presiding judge here at County Court at Law Number 2. This morning we have three dockets. We have our trial docket, we have our pretrial conference docket, and we have our announcement docket. When I call your name, please come forward with your attorney. If your attorney is not here, we'll wait for your attorney to arrive because your attorney may be in another court handling another matter. If you are not represented by an attorney, or if you are representing yourself, when I call your name, please come before the bench by yourself. Guillermo Castillo III, he's on Zoom. Mr. Castillo, you can take your mic off of mute. He's on earlier. Mr. Castillo, you can take your mic off of mute. Okay. Okay, Mr. Castillo is represented by his attorney, Attorney Jared Gilthorpe. Attorney
Yes, sir.
Gilthorpe. Okay. Mr. Castillo, how you doing?
I'm doing good, Your Honor.
Okay. Mr. Castillo, you're represented in your case by your attorney, Attorney Jared Gilthorpe. Mr. Gilthorpe, how are you doing?
Doing well, good. How are you?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. State is represented in this case by Attorney Kenise Williams. Mr. Williams, how are you doing?
Good morning, Jan.
Good morning. And okay, now Mr. Gilthorpe, what's your announcement in Mr. Castillo's case?
Judge, we filed a motion for continuance. I'm going to be occupied this weekend with the federal immigration court system.
No objection, obviously, by the state judge.
Okay. This is on a trial docket.
Yes.
Now, this case is pretty old. This
It's
case was
very old.
transferred from County Court at Law Number 3.
Yes, Judge. Oh, I would, if we could, I'd like to get a special setting on it, because it is old.
Okay.
If we could come to a date.
Guillermo Castillo.
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
No, I was talking to your attorney.
Oh,
because we
I'm
haven't
sorry.
Heard as well on that one.
Okay. Give us a reset date. We'll set it for trial.
Can we have that as a place like number one?
Yeah, it's good. Number one set.
Okay.
That'll work, Judge.
I'm sorry?
April 16th.
Okay.
Let's see.
I'm here.
I have a trial with immigration as well that day as well. If y'all want to call Mr. Palm home and let him know.
What about the 23rd?
April
I'm
23rd?
sorry, no. That's wrong. April 20th.
April 20th. I can do that if we can, but on the 21st, I have a trial, an immigration trial in Houston.
27th.
Well, but if you in trial here, we have you.
Well,
But
We go
I'm fine
first.
with
it's gonna go, I think, for a few days. Can we push it back
Yeah.
another day? I want to,
or before 30 days.
You have a date. It's gonna be on a Monday.
We have April 6th, April 13th, April 20th, April
Let
27th.
me see what I have. April 6th works.
Okay. We're gonna reset this case for trial. You available on that one?
You know,
You available coming on that day? Let me get that in.
let us push, the reason why I'm going to first to push it back, we meet with Texas Children on the 10th
Okay.
for her, for the bone marrow. I don't. know
Okay.
if it's gonna-
Yeah, you don't have to be going now. Okay, so you're not available. So you're unavailable.
oh,
Okay, I don't know till after the 10th.
He said push it. He said push it back. He said, You said the 13th?
And
What about the
We
13th?
got the 13th.
You need it back?
All right.
all I'm saying, I won't be able to know. I won't know anything certain till after March 10th, Judge. We can take a date certain, but I would like for it to be the end of April.
that's fine.
What's the end of
or
April?
May.
27th.
Is that how you,
April 27th. I mean, I have a hearing on the 29th, but we can do it, and if we run into that.
yeah.
I'll let
Okay,
you
so
call
the
that judge and
27th.
Tell them I'm unavailable.
Okay, so we are April 27th, yeah, 2026, and this is gonna be the number one case, okay?
It's gonna-
Now, Mr. Castillo, you're gonna get your reset. Well, Your attorney and your bondsman will be given notice if you reset. Your case is set for trial April 27th, 2026 at 9 a.m. Stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman. You're free to go and you have a blessed day.
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
Okay,
Thank you, and have a blessed day as well.
thank you. Salvador Isaac Mendoza Baraga. I thought he was on, oh, there he is.
Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Baraga, how are you doing?
I'm doing good. How are you doing, Your Honor?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. You're represented in your case by your attorney, Attorney Jared Gilthorpe. Mr. Gilthorpe, what's your announcement?
The same, Your Honor. We're ready other than timing. This week I'm tied up with Hyatt.
Okay, this is a Class C misdemeanor.
Yes. What?
This you said in, Baraga. He's under, Castillo.
Okay, what we said.
I guess we're gonna keep him on the trial. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we set him the next week.
Next week, which is,
Following week, after, April the 27th.
okay, that'll be May 4th. Here you go, Ms. Lawrence.
Okay, this case will be set for trial May 4th. Okay, Mr. Mendoza Baraga, your attorney and your bondsman will be given notice of your reset date. Your case is set for trial
Jack,
May 4th, 2026 at 9 a.m. Stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman. You're free to go and you have a blessed day.
You too. Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Robert Taylor? Robert Taylor?
Lost our.
What happened?
he done went back there and told us.
Hold on,
Oh, I see.
hold on a minute.
Thank you.
Can you hear me, Judge?
Okay, yes, we can hear you. How are you doing, Mr. Taylor?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Taylor, you're represented in your case by your attorney. Have. Let me turn this mic on. Okay, Mr. Taylor, again, how are you doing?
Good, sir, how are you?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Taylor, you're representing your case by your attorney, Attorney Jared Gilthorpe. Mr. Gilthorpe, what's your announcement in Mr. Taylor's case?
Same with the other, Sheriff. We're ready,
And you,
just not available.
okay,
If you get a new date.
I'm gonna reset this one. I'll have to get it to reset this on the same day that we have Mendoza Baraga.
Thank you, dude.
So, Mr. Taylor, your case will be set May 4th, 2026 at 9 a.m. for trial. You stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman. Your attorney and your bondsman will be given notice of your reset. Again, it's set for May 4th, 2026 at 9 a.m. You're free to go and you have a blessed day.
You as well, thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
What's this?
He's the next guy below on the next page, page 3, Taylor. May 4th trial. Okay. Okay, Mr. Gilthorpe, you're free to go and you have a blessed day.
Thank you, you too.
Okay. We have, okay, Alejandro Hernandez. This is cause number 25 CCCR 2389. Case is style of state of Texas versus Alejandro Hernandez. Mr. Hernandez, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, Mr. Hernandez?
I'm good. How you doing?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking, Mr. Hernandez. You're represented by your attorney, Attorney Mike Jamal. Attorney Jamal, how are you doing?
Thank you.
That's good. Mr. Jamal, what's your announcement in Mr. Hernandez case?
I'm ready, subject to certain issues that I'd like to address with the court. We could address them in the court's office and after you finish this. But I'm ready, subject to certain matters that I set forth in my letter to the court of
A letter,
27.
And in response to the letter on February 27th, and the third motion to forth, the state filed a response.
oh, okay.
You have a copy of the response?
Outside the presence.
Well,
I mean, we can hold on it
Let me-
and get back to it.
all right, then if the court wants to explicitly overrule every motion that I have filed,
Well, first of all, I mean, we've already did the research on it. In reference to your motion quash, the
That-
court,
before you, they're different. I know the state says they're repetitive. They're shaded differently. So I just would ask the court if you could just overrule all of them and just say they're all specifically overruled.
well, the court need a factual development.
Hmm.
Okay, there's no factual development on your motions. If I recall, it was all arguments. No one took the witness stand, no facts.
There
So
are,
the court is not in a position to rule on the motion.
I-
So we can go to trial,
and you,
and as the case, as it develops, the court can rule then. Well, but there was no facts.
to the extent they're at law, you've overruled them. And if there are any factual additions to them brought upon by the trial, I would re-urge them to you, and I agree with what you're saying.
Well, you said the court did not make, you said the court has overruled, and the court has
No.
not made a ruling. That's what you said. The court has not said that. The court has not made a ruling.
Okay, well, then I ask that the court carry these and let me re-urge them at the conclusion of the state's case.
Okay, that's fine.
That's fine.
And the state, what's your announcement? You ready?
The state's ready, Judge.
Okay.
I need to tell the court, my witnesses are attorneys and businessmen in the event I need them. So I need some idea, because to get them here.
Okay, you could,
We would.
I don't know about the state. I mean, you could talk to the state. Normally, we pick a jury at 1:30. If the state could start testimony right after we pick the jury.
Then the
I don't know
the
how many
state-
witnesses the state have.
Well, the state would then respectfully request that a proffer be made to what the witness is going to testify. We don't want attorney witnesses invading the province of the jury, Judge. A tentative proffer for what they would testify to, then the state may be able to move again to exclude. We just can't call witnesses, Judge.
Well, we don't know what they
Well,
got
well,
made. Well, you can talk to Mr. Jamal about that, okay? Okay, so at this time, this case is set for trial. We pick a jury at 1:30.
Okay,
Okay,
thank you.
all right. Okay, this is cause number 25 CCCR 0762, case of Tyler, State of Texas versus Jaquan Broussard. Mr. Broussard, how are you doing? That's good. I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. And Mr. Broussard, you're represented by your attorney, Attorney John Cole. Mr. Cole, how are you doing?
Good, Judge.
And Mr. Cole, this case is set for trial. What's your announcement?
I filed a motion to continue, Your Honor.
No objection by the state judge.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna give us a reset date.
April sixth.
This case is reset to April 6th, 2026 for trial. Mr. Broussard, you get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day. Thank you. And Mr. Cole, I think this is your only case.
No, sir, I have a.
You have another one? As soon as the court signs the dismissal, then the court will also sign a motion to release him of the ankle monitor. Okay,
Very good, gentlemen.
all right, just have a seat.
No, excuse me.
Yes, you may. This is cause number 25 CCCR 1206. Case is styled the state of Texas versus Lindsey Brooke Garcia Yates. Ms. Yates, you please come forward. Exactly what you said it was the reason.
Should the felony.
Yeah, yeah,
Oh,
okay.
No.
Ms. Yates, your full name is Lindsey Brooke Garcia Yates?
It's Lindsay Brooke Yates.
Okay,
Garcia is my maiden name.
okay. How are you doing, Ms. Yates?
Good, how about you?
You can fine, thanks for asking. Ms. Yates, you represented in this case by your attorney, Alan Parker. Mr. Parker, how are you doing?
Good, Judge, thank you for asking.
That's good. State is represented in this case by attorney Farrah Nixon. Ms. Nixon, how are you doing?
Good, Your Honor.
That's good. Now, Mr. Parker, I have before me a motion to withdraw as the attorney of record in this case. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
And Ms. Yates, have you received a copy of the motion to withdraw?
Yes, sir.
It's been mailed, it's been mailed, Judge.
Okay, let me give her an opportunity to read. You can read that motion and see if we have any objections.
Right.
You have any objections to Mr. Well, first of all, Ms. Yates, have you read the motion?
Okay, yes, ma'am, sure.
Okay, do you have any objections to Mr. Parker withdrawing as your attorney?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mr. Parker, you relieve your duties and responsibilities in this case. You're free to go. And you have a blessed day. Now, Ms. Yates,
Thank you, Judge.
you're welcome. Let's see, this is. March 2026. Now, Ms. Yates, at this point, you have three options. Regarding your right to have an attorney. First option is, you can have your case reset, to give you time to hire another attorney. Or two, if you, would like to have an attorney, but do not have enough money to hire an attorney, you may request that an attorney be appointed to represent you. Three, you may waive your right to an attorney, that is, give up your right to an attorney and represent yourself. Now, as a defendant in a criminal case, obviously you have a right to hire your attorney. If you hire your attorney, your case will be reset to give you time to hire your attorney. If you would like to have an attorney but do not have enough money to hire an attorney, then you can request that an attorney be appointed to represent you, but you must first fill out a financial questionnaire so that the proper person can determine whether or not to appoint an attorney to represent you. Now, if you would like to represent yourself, you'll be waiving your right to have an attorney, that is, giving up your right to have an attorney. You'll have an opportunity to talk to the prosecutor about your case. Now, you cannot talk to the prosecutor about your case unless you first sign a waiver of your right to have an attorney. Now, the waiver is a document that is titled Waiver of Counsel for Purposes of Entering a Guilty Plea or Proceeding to Trial. You have to read that document, sign it, and then you have an opportunity to talk to the prosecutor about your case. Now, you should be aware that there are dangers and disadvantages of self-representation. Waiving your right to an attorney and representing yourself may result in a worse outcome for you and your case, including the loss of significant rights and opportunities relating to military service, possession of firearm, housing and public benefits, child custody, immigration status for non-citizens, and employment. Now, if you choose to waive your right to have an attorney, you may change your mind at any time and request that an attorney be appointed to represent you. Do you understand? Okay. Now, at this point, Ms. Bailey, could you give her the clipboard with that information on it? The information that she's going to give you just what I just stated to you, but we'll let you have a seat, read through it, and then you can decide what you want to do, and then we're going to call you back up.
Okay.
Okay, so just have a seat in that first chair at that table right there. Yes. Yeah, you can put your purse right there. Miss Flores Espinoza, your full name is Vidia Flores Espinoza. How are you doing? I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Now, Miss Flores Espinoza, you're represented by your attorney, Attorney Ryan Matuska. Attorney Matuska has filed a motion to withdraw because Attorney Matuska would no longer be a defense attorney. And so therefore, well, not on the state side, he's taken another job. And so he's filed a motion to withdraw. At this point, the court, if you still want a court-appointed attorney, the court can appoint you another attorney to represent you. Do you understand that? And the attorney that will be appointed to represent you in this case is Attorney David Grove. Attorney Grove will be given information to contact you, and you will be given information to contact him. The court coordinator will give you that information. Once she gives you that information, you'll be free to go. And you have a blessed day. Please stand in front of the court reporter for your reset. Oh, just have a seat in that first chair on the wall. He did the same thing on Livingston.
I thought it was
Do you see it in the? You don't see one in there? Okay, so we have to wait for him to arrive on that one. Ooh. Oh, he did. Okay. Okay. Samuel Johnson. Would you please come forward? I'm doing fine. Mr. Johnson, your full name is Samuel Wade Johnson Senior. How are you doing?
I'll be waiting on my turn because he hadn't showed up.
Well, I just got it word that your attorney fell this morning, and so he will not be here. So, we would have to reset the case. Now, hold on a minute. Let me do this here. Your attorney is unavailable, we would have to reset your case. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. Now you're gonna get your reset from our court coordinator.
Yes,
Once you get your reset, you're free to go and you have a blessed day.
thank you. Yeah.
Okay. Helen Reyes. We have two cases, cause numbers 24 CCCR 2817 and cause number 24 CCCR 2816. Both cases are styled the state of Texas versus Helen Kathleen Reyes. Ms. Reyes, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, Ms.
I'm
Reyes?
very well. How are you?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. That's good. Now, Ms. Reyes, we had a hearing, a pretrial hearing, January 29th of 2026. And at that time, the court took this matter under advisement. Now, I think you had requested a transcript, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I think the court reporter has a,
He's had.
she wanted a transcript of the pretrial hearing. And so court has not reviewed that transcript to make a ruling. And so the case is gonna be reset so the court can have time to make a ruling. And in the meantime, if you need to get a copy of the transcript, you can talk to the court reporter.
Yes, I already have. Thank
Oh,
you.
you have? Okay,
Yes,
well,
sir.
that's good.
I have.
Okay.
Thank you.
So give us a reset date. And we're gonna keep, she's on the pretrial conference. We're gonna keep it on the pretrial conference docket.
Mhm. It'll be April 6th. April 6th.
That's a good day.
Yeah, it might be. I need to look at my calendar because we do have testing going on campus. So I might be available.
Oh, you sure? You
Um,
saying you might?
Yeah, I'm not sure of the campus yet. They haven't told us our testing date for the campus, so,
Let's put it in May.
yes. That'd be
Okay.
better because then testing will
Yeah.
be done.
Okay,
Um,
Give- give-
May 4th?
okay.
Oh, he's the word here in Beaumont right now.
Okay.
Sorry.
She said, May 4th or May 11th, which one?
That's too May 11th.
11th?
Is that on a Monday? Yeah.
Yes. Okay, this case will be reset to May 11th. Well, these cases will be reset to May 11th.
Okay.
Ms. Reyes, you get your recess. Once you get your recess, you're free to go.
Thank you.
You have a blessed day.
I'll give him a call.
Ms. Yates,
Sir.
would you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth so help you God? Ms. Yates, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Ms. Yates? That's good. Now, Ms. Yates, I have before me two documents. First document is titled Judge's Explanation of Rights to Defendants Without Attorney. You recognize this document? Is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant?
Yes, sir.
And are these your initials on the line that state you would like to apply for a court-appointed attorney?
Yes, sir.
I also have another document that is titled Jefferson County Affidavit of Injuries. Do you recognize this document? On page 2 of this same document, there's a signature above the line that is titled Defendant's Signature. Is this your signature?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Yates, before you sign and initial these documents that I'm showing, did you read the documents?
I did.
Did you understand what you read?
Yes, sir.
Is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Yates, I read your answers. Based on your answers, you meet the eligibility requirements for the appointment of a court-appointed attorney. The attorney that will be appointed to represent you, in this case, is Attorney Jack Lawrence. Attorney Lawrence will be given information to contact you, and you will be given information to contact him.
Okay.
Court coordinator will give you that information. Once you get the information from the court coordinator, you'll be free to go.
Okay.
And you have a blessed day. Please have a seat in that first chair on the wall. Thank you.
What's your next call? If you can contact me. This is information.
Thanks. Gutierrez.
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, Mr. Gutierrez?
Good evening, sir.
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking, Mr. Gutierrez. You're represented in your case. Your attorney Dustin Galmore. Attorney Galmore, how are you doing?
Good, Judge. How are you this morning?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking, Mr. Galmore. What is your announcement?
Judge, if we can have one last announcement date on this case, we'll be ready to resolve it at the next setting.
Give us a reset date. You say April the sixth? Mr. Gutierrez, your case will be reset to April sixth, 2026 at 9 a.m. You can get your reset from our coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go. You have a blessed day.
All right, you too, sir. Thank you.
You're welcome. Stephen Anthony Sampson Jr. Mr. Sampson, your full name is Stephen Anthony Sampson Jr.
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, Mr. Sampson?
Very well, sir.
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Sampson, you're represented by your attorney, Attorney Galmore. Mr. Galmore, what's your announcement to Mr. Sampson's
Judge,
case?
you ready for trial?
State,
State's ready, Judge.
okay,
We just note that, I realize, state's ready, Judge. But if
Okay.
we could dismiss, given the age of this case, almost 1,100, about 1,200 days.
right,
If we can go ahead and like take this, certain judge, where we can.
what
get
you mean,
out
take it
this-
certain?
I mean, no, where we're gonna go on this and given the age of the case, Judge. We
What's
can
that?
reset the, I'm just saying.
Oh, we gonna
reset
once we
the
get
other-
our trial order, then we'll do our recess.
Well, this is the.
Is this the
first
last
case.
one left? This is not the last one left. We need to get all our trial orders first and then we'll let you know. So we'll see you at 1:30.
Ready, Judge.
All right,
1:30. Ready.
okay, Juan Carlos Tamayo Aragon.
He's online.
Oh, he's on. Oh. Mr. Tamayo?
Yes, sir.
Okay, how are you doing?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Tamayo, you're represented by your attorney, Attorney Galmo. Mr. Galmo, what's your announcement?
Ready, Judge.
State,
Well, the state's not ready, Judge.
not ready? Okay,
We will subsequently file, continue, I could not.
you have any objections?
I have no objection.
Okay, so this case will be reset.
Motion state, Judge. Thank you. Mr.
Okay.
Gilmore.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, this case will reset to April 6, 2026. Is that it?
That's all I have.
Okay, Mr. Galmore, you're free to go and you have a blessed day.
Here, 1:30.
Yes, see you at 1:30. Let's see, what else we have, right? Okay, Mr. Tamayo, you're free to go. You have a blessed day.
All right, thank you, sir.
Stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman.
Yes.
So we got, this. Cameron Moore. Yes. Mr. Moore, your full name is Cameron E. Moore?
That's it.
Okay. And Mr. Moore, you're represented in your cases by your attorney, Attorney Langston Adams. Mr. Adams, how are you doing?
Yes, sir. Doing well, Judge.
And Mr. Moore, how are you doing? Good, that's good. Now, Mr. Adams, what's your announcement in Mr. Moore's cases?
Judge, I think,
Look at
we'll
Mr.
be here last,
Oh,
huh?
I thought he wasn't coming.
What?
No.
We believe that the felony will resolve these misdemeanors.
Okay, so we're gonna you have a felony date, court date?
He went to court this morning. and
Okay, did they give you a date?
What
I know.
day-
Did they
what day
give-
is it? The 15th.
Of what month? April 15th?
April 15th.
Okay. They give you any paperwork? Okay, you can get that paperwork to her. Your case will be reset with your felony. Once you get the reset, you're free to go. You have a blessed day.
So we
Roger Malloy Carter,
What one of those Virgin Island Epstein deals? Yeah, they award everything in
Mr. Carter, your full name is Roger Malloy Carter Jr.?
Yes, sir.
How you doing, Mr. Carter?
All right, so,
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Carter, you represented in your cases by your attorney, Ralph Kimbler. Attorney Kimbler, how are you doing? Good
Good.
morning.
well, good morning.
And Mr. Kimbler, what's your announcement in Mr. Carter's
Oh, we're ready. Yeah.
state?
Judge, the state's not ready.
Okay,
He's
Yeah.
on bond if Mr. Williams needs to reset it.
okay, you have no objections?
No good.
Okay.
Thank you. That was motion of the state.
Roger Malloy Carter Jr. He's on the trial docket, all these cases on the trial docket. Page 3 at the bottom. All right, you can get your reset from the court coordinator, Mr. Carter, you're free to. Caitlin B. Gray. Oh, these are new cases. Ms. Gray, how are you doing?
Yeah.
That's good. I'm doing fine. Now, Ms. Gray, you're represented by Mr. Kimmler. Mr. Kimmler, what's your announcement in Ms. Gray's case?
Ready?
State?
Motion state for a continuance, Judge.
No objection.
Okay,
You want-
okay. That will be reset.
Just have a seat.
Okay. Sean David Harper.
We'll get that. I'll talk. Oh. You ready on this one?
No. Back to lots of my cases, but I think.
And Mr. Kimmler, what's your announcement?
Your Honor, I'll defer to the state. I think they need a reset. So-
Motion state continuance.
Any objections?
No good. You don't mind.
Okay.
We-
Mr. Harper, you'll reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go. You have a blessed day. Brandon K. Howard.
You have a seat in that first chair.
How are you doing? Doing good? And what's your announcement?
Ready?
State?
Motion state for continuance. The state is not ready.
No objection.
Okay, no objections. This would be continued. Okay, you're gonna get your reset from our coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go. You have a blessed day. Jessica Martell. Hey, how are you doing?
Did you say?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. And Mr. Kimmler, your announcement,
I'll say your Honor.
state,
Motion state continuance.
No
State is
objection.
not ready, Judge.
No objection.
okay?
Yeah.
You can get your reset. You're gonna have a seat in that fourth chair. You're gonna get your reset from our coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go. You have a blessed day.
Thank you.
That's painful.
And Mr. Kim, I think that's it.
Charles Montfield? Charles Montfield? You're at Charles Montfield?
Yeah.
No, he's not on the line.
Yeah, oh no, that's Jessica Martez.
You know who Charles Montfield is? Got rid of the wars on it.
Trevor Joseph Stratton. That's a what? You said it's a hearing? Oh, it's a hearing?
Yeah.
Hold on a minute.
Discussion with, the state, and she said, I gave her some information, we still discussing it.
So y'all just, okay. Give us a. Give us a reset date on Stratton.
It's just a regular.
Yeah, it's just an announcement. Hold on.
April 6th.
Okay, Mr. Stratton, your case will be reset to April 6, 2026. You're gonna get your reset from our coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go. You have a blessed day. Please have a seat in the chair on the wall. All right, you're welcome. And Omar Avella Yanis. Omar Avella Yanis. Omar Ayala Yanis was scheduled to be in court this morning at 9 a.m. At or about 9 a.m., the court's bailiff called the name of Omar Avella Yanis at the courthouse door. Omar Avella Yanis did not answer. He has not appeared in court since the court has been in session. The time now is 10:48. Excuse me, 10:43 a.m. on today's date of March 2nd of 2026. Ms. Bailiff, would you please call the name of Omar Avella Yanis at the courthouse door?
No response, Your Honor.
Okay. Omar Avella Yanis' name was just called again at the courthouse door. Omar Avella Yanis did not answer, has not appeared since the court has been in session. State, do you have a motion to forfeit his bond? Mhm. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, Omar Avella Yanis' bond will be forfeited and a warrant shall be issued for his arrest in cause number 23 CCCR 0650. Next case is cause number 25 CCCR 2962. Case is styled the state of Texas versus Jennifer Rose LeBlancis. Jennifer LeBlancis was scheduled to be in court this morning at 9 a.m. At about 9 a.m., Jennifer LeBlancis' name was called at the courthouse door by the court bailiff. Jennifer LeBlancis did not answer. Jennifer LeBlancis has not appeared in court since the court has been in session. The time now is 10:45 a.m. on today's date of March 2nd of 2026. Ms. Bailiff, would you please call the name of Jennifer LeBlancis at the courthouse door?
I'll respond, John.
Okay, Jennifer Rose LeBlancis' name was just called at the courthouse door by the court bailiff. Jennifer LeBlancis did not answer. Raisable time has passed to give Ms. LeBlancis an opportunity to appear in court. She has not appeared in court. State, do you have a motion of forfeit?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Jennifer LeBlancis' bond will be forfeited and a warrant shall be issued for her arrest in clause number 25 CCCR 2962. Okay, and Ms. Provo, that's your last case.
Yes, ma'am.
You're free to go. You have a blessed day.
Thank you.
Mr. Burbank, you need some time to talk to the prosecutor?
Absolutely not, Your Honor,
Okay.
but I like the prosecutor.
Okay,
Madam Perch.
yes, we have,
Right here.
Alexis Leday. Would you please come forward, Ms. Leday? She's on the pretrial conference docket.
There is an offer to dismiss or taking a class.
Oh, okay.
And for
Is
some
it like-
reason, we can't get that accomplished to no fault of this district attorney here. There's been different DAs and people. She'd like it over with, and so.
So she's just having problems getting them to,
It's just
get
a-
into the
it's supposed
class?
to be a video class, like. Watch a video and.
Understand.
Be a better person,
Okay,
and
so,
it's
but,
all gonna go away.
so, but were they having problems setting it up or what's the problem?
I'm not quite sure.
I have.
She talked to somebody. We finally, last week, I talked to somebody, or my office did. So I'm just asking for one more reset, Judge. If she's there, I don't.
So she's been in contact with the DA's office?
We've been in
To,
contact. Yes.
okay.
You know how government is sometimes, Judge.
Okay. Miss, Nixon. Okay, so this case, do you have any objections to the reset?
Your Honor.
Okay, give us a reset date. Yeah, is it like a bib or hang? I'm actually, what type of class is it?
I'm not quite sure. It was actually,
Might be a
a
bib.
video that say, be a nicer person, and it was
Okay.
gonna go away.
Okay.
Family services or something.
Oh, that's bib. Give us a reset date.
How long this month? Over.
Oh, you working? Oh,
And
Yeah, we are.
next time, if something's wrong.
We might-
Do it by Zoom if you can. She's been here like.
let's,
3 times.
yeah, let's do this here. Let's reset it 2 months.
That's fine.
Okay.
Okay, so, and just stay on them to get take the class. Okay, give us a reset date.
May 4th.
Okay, this case will be reset to May 4th, 2026. Miss Leday, you get your reset. Once you get your reset, you're free to go. Yo, blessed day.
Okay. We'll see what, oh, you can right over here. Maybe excuse your honor.
You have
Oh, I have one more.
Jaden Moore? Who's that?
She can just have a seat. I want to see if I can take care of
Okay. Okay. Okay, this is cause number 25-CCC-R 0648. Case is styled the state of Texas versus Michael Eugene Livingston. Mr. Livingston, is that your full name?
Michael E. Livingston.
Hmm?
Michael E. Livingston.
Michael E. Does E doesn't stand for Eugene?
Michael Eugene Livingston.
Okay. Now, Mr. Livingston, how are you doing?
I'm not doing that great.
Okay, well, we hope that you'll be feeling a little bit better after you leave here.
Together, I moved along.
Oh.
I had some health issues.
Oh, so, okay, so you moved to Longview?
Yes.
Okay,
For my kids.
okay. Now, Mr. Livingston,
Yes.
you're represented by your attorney Ryan Matuska.
Yeah.
Attorney Matuska is no longer defense attorney here. He's taken a job with the Federal Public Defender's Office. So we're gonna have to rescind his appointment and appoint you another attorney. Okay? And so the attorney that will be appointed to represent you is Attorney Todd LeBlanc. Okay? He's the next person upon the list. So Attorney LeBlanc will be given information to contact you, and I think you gave them the updated information regarding you. And so that information will be given to Attorney LeBlanc, and you will also be given his information. He is supposed to contact you within 24 hours. Okay? You're gonna get your reset. Once you get your reset, you're free to go. We hope that you'll be feeling better.
Thank you, sir.
And two, we hope that you have a safe trip back to Longview. All right, you have a blessed day.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you can just ask it. We'll give it to you.
Okay. Court is back in session and calls number 25 CCCR 1854. Case is style of state of Texas versus Jaden Janae Moore. Ms. Moore, is that your full name? Okay, how are you doing, Ms. Moore? That's good. Ms. Moore, you represented by your attorney, Tom Burbank. Mr. Burbank, how are you doing?
I'm doing fine.
That's good. Now, Mr. Burbank, what's your announcement in
You're-
Ms. Moore's?
Oh, I'm sorry. Mr. Williams and I have been communicating. We believe we could probably solve this. We asked for one reset. We are number 14 out of 15. Well, I would love to try this. And
Actually, you up to number 3.
I cannot jump Mr. Jamel
Well,
because
he's number 2.
I fear for my safety.
Yeah, okay. Give us a reset date. You gonna keep it on, you keeping it on the trial docket?
We do, but we think we can resolve this.
Just send me-
Give us a reset.
Before.
All right.
May he be-
April 6th,
may she
you're
be
gonna get your
excused
reset
today.
from our coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go and you have a blessed day.
May I be
and-
excused, Your Honor?
Yes, Mr. Burbank, excuse you, have a blessed day as well.
You said the name.
Hold on.
Caitlin B. Gray. This is cause number 25 CCCR 1300. Case is style of state of Texas versus Caitlin B. Gray. Ms. Gray, is that your full name? Ms. Gray, would you please raise your right hand? Ms. Gray, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth so help you God? Ms. Gray, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Ms. Gray? I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Ms. Gray, you're represented in your case by your attorney, Wright Kimler. And Mr. Kimler, how are you doing?
Still doing well here.
That's good. Mr. Kimler, do you waive a record in Ms. Gray's case?
Oh, yes, sure.
Ms. Gray, I have before me a document that is titled information. This information was filed by the District Attorney's Office. In this information, it alleges that you, Caitlin B. Gray, on or about August 11th of 2024, while you in Jefferson County, Texas, operating a motor vehicle in a public place, that you committed a Class A misdemeanor offense of DWI. Second state, are you abandoning the enhancement paragraph?
The state is so abandoning one, and we will proceed on the lesser included offense of the Class B DWI first. Is that correct, Mr. Kimmel?
Yes, Your Honor. Yes, Mr. Williams. That's reflected in the plea papers.
Okay, now, Ms. Gray, the state is abandoning the enhancement paragraph in this case, and what that means is, instead of being charged with a Class A misdemeanor offense, driving while intoxicated, you're being charged with a lesser included Class B misdemeanor offense of driving while intoxicated. And do you understand what you've been charged with? Now, to the lesser included offense of driving while intoxicated, which allegedly occurred on or about August 11th of 2024, while you were operating a motor vehicle in a public place in Jefferson County, Texas, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? No contest?
Guilty. Was it a red?
What's on it?
Yeah, it doesn't matter.
You pleading guilty?
Well, if she wants to change it to no contest with no objection from the state,
None?
we can do that.
No
Okay.
clarification.
I will change it.
Okay, here
You
you
got the
go.
call copy?
You have to change this.
You got the PC affidavit? If there's no contest, we need the PC affidavit.
As an exhibit.
Yeah.
You trying to erase it?
Yeah.
Just,
I know. Right, just initial that middle one. AG.
okay. Now, Ms. Gray, you're pleading no contest to the Class B misdemeanor offense of driving while intoxicated to allegedly occurred on or about August 11th of 2024 in Jefferson County, Texas, while you were operating a motor vehicle. Is that correct? And are you pleading no contest freely and voluntarily? And are you pleading no contest because you do not wish to fight or contest the charges? Ms. Gray, I also have before me a document that is titled Misdemeanor Plea Admonishment, which is also labeled as State's Exhibit Number 1. Do you recognize this document? On page 2 of this same document, there are a set of initials KG on a line next to a box. That's check nolo contendere, which means no contest. Did you place your initials on this document? On page 3 of this same document, there is a signature above the line that's titled defendant. Is this your signature?
Yes, sir.
And on the next document that's titled trial through certification, of defendant's right of appeal, do you recognize this document? And is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant? At the top of this document, there are two boxes checked. The first box that's checked states that this is a plea bargaining case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that statement? Second box that's checked states that you're waiving your right to an appeal, which means you're giving up your right to an appeal. You understand that statement? I also have a document that is titled Discovery Certification. You recognize this document? And is this your signature in the line that's titled defendant? Now, Ms. Gray, before you signed and initialed these documents, did your attorney go over these documents with you? Did you understand everything that your attorney went over? Is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge? Ms. Gray, are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir.
State, would you like to offer state's exhibit number 1?
So tended, Your Honor.
Any objections?
Without objection.
No objection, state's exhibit number 1 will be admitted. And you have state's 2.
Please see that.
Did it print?
Did it print?
Did it print?
No.
Now,
There's no objection.
no objection, state's exhibit number 1 will be admitted.
Okay.
And Mr. Kimler, you've advised the counsel, Ms. Gray. Is there any evidence that she is currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
None that I'm aware of, Your Honor. She appears to be on.
Okay, and Ms. Gray, your attorney, Mr. Kimler, has advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with his representation? Has he provided full, effective, and competent legal representation?
Yes.
Okay, and Mr. Williams, you'll be tendering the probable cause affidavit that states exhibit number 2. Is that
Correct, Your Honor.
Any objection?
Without objection.
No objections. Now, Ms. Gray, I will accept your plea of no contest. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. And I will also find that there is sufficient evidence find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. Okay. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement
We do, Your Honor.
in this case?
The essential terms are as follows, Judge. It would be pleading to the lesser included offense of the Class B to a DWI first, 120 days jail, but they will be probated for a 1-year period of time. A $500 fine and 50 hours of community service. Once again, is that correct, Mr. Kimber?
That's correct, Your Honor.
What's the court cost? Okay. Ms. Gray, the state is offering that you serve 120 days in the Jefferson County Jail, but you will not be required to serve any time in the Jefferson County Jail because you'll be placed on probation for a period of 1 year. During the 1 year probationary period, you'll be required to pay a fine of $500 plus court costs of $392. You'll also be required to pay a DWI conviction fine fee of $100. You'll be required to pay a probation fee of $60 a month, your analysis fee of $15 a month, reimbursement fee of $15, and you will be required to pay Jefferson County DWI education an initial evaluation fee of $125 on the day of the plea. Should a further evaluation be needed, you'll be required to pay an additional $50. Now, your total month installments, that is the total amount that you will be required to pay each month, is $173 a month. Will you be able to pay the $173 each month? You will also be required to perform 50 hours of community service, attend a completed DWI education class, have an alcohol assessment, and adhere to the other standard terms and conditions of this probation. And Ms. Gray, do you understand the state's offer? Do you think that the state's offer in your case is fair and just? Do you accept the state's offer? Ms. Gray, I'll follow the plea bargaining agreement that you have entered into with the state. Ms. Gray, this will conclude your case. Ms. Gray, you will stand at the end of that table, stand next to the bailiff, follow her directions. Once you're finished following her directions, you'll be free to go, and you have a blessed day.
One final matter, Judge. The state does not object under the Interstate Compact Act. If the probation is to be transferred to another jurisdiction or up to Hardin County.
Right,
The intra. But like that.
okay, okay, You are-
From New Hampshire.
okay.
We're gonna get you signature here. Thank you. All right, press down. This is your impression. For no calls and out for lunch.
This,
And, okay, we already did the bond forfeitures. So this will conclude this portion of the court session. Court has completed its pretrial conference docket and the announcement docket. The court will continue with its trial docket at 1:30. And one, you excuse,
bond forfeiture, Judge?
Fair already did it.
Oh, okay, good job. Great job.